we talk about how can you add new user list on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on list here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click it, you come here to user list, clicking this sign, you click on new, then it's going to take you to this list. In there add your list name and description here if you want to add list avatar or your photo, and you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you know you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.